Are you tired of sneezing, coughing, and feeling like your home's air quality just isn't quite right? Well, worry no more. Magic Electric Plumbing, Heating, and Air is thrilled to introduce our newest service, duct cleaning. Our team of expert technicians utilize state-of-the-art equipment to thoroughly clean your ducts, removing dust, pollen, pet dander, and other allergens that accumulate over time. Not only does this improve your indoor air quality, but it also enhances the efficiency of your HVAC system, potentially lowering your energy bills and saving you money in the long run. And the best part is, for just $493, you'll receive cleaning for your first 10 ducts. And we'll include a free dryer vent cleaning to ensure your home is truly breathing fresh. Plus, additional vents are only $38 each. Don't let dirty ducts compromise your comfort and health. Trust the experts at Magic to deliver cleaner air and peace of mind. Call us today to schedule your duct cleaning appointment.